Hello. Wakey, wakey. McFly, are you there? Hello. Anyway, it's me. And it is April. Excuse me. Confirmation burp. April 22nd. It's a confirmation. And I am here to talk about the stuff that no one wants to do. And what's that? Mundane. So, taking out the garbage, sorting your cans, cleaning the bathroom, washing floors, vacuuming, laundry, etc. Like the stuff of your daily grind. Here's the thing. You realize 95% of your life is the daily grind. Let that sink in for a second. We all chase that 5%, whether that's I'm going on a trip or I'm doing this. And we spend so much energy on the 5% of expanded experience, and we forget we have this experience to expand. I've often wondered why, I can see the pattern emerging of car trips, more RVs, more time on the road in North America. I can see it. I can see more adventures Alaska to Argentina. Those things are they're happening, and they're going to happen more and more and more. Like the revitalization of car travel, the revitalization of RV travel. Not that it's been in a lower state here in Alberta. I think, though, it's going to be massively encouraged. Because think about it. Why the heck are we traveling to other countries to explore them when we haven't even explored our own? Charity begins at home, people. And that's the thing. Be charitable with yourself in your mundane activities. Yeah, you got to pick up dog crap. You want a dog, you got to pick up crap. I remember when I got my second to last dog, and I pick up her crap, and then I realize I have to wipe her ass. I'm like, so this is how it goes, eh? Poor little girl. Anyway, it's true though. If you want a decent life, really decent, you got to get good at your daily grind. And it is noted that the people that do the best in the world overall have a morning routine. You don't have to have a routine for the whole day, but a morning routine, something where this is the way we do it. It will serve you so